have a look at some common apostrophe problems and how your word processor can help you with them. The donkey's hair was brown. Notice how donkeys is flagged by the grammar checker's green line. If we right-click on the green line to find out more, the grammar checker tells us that donkeys needs an apostrophe to indicate the possessive case. Now let's look at the second sentence. Kaylee placed collars around all of the donkeys' necks. Again, donkeys is flagged, but be careful. The grammar checker provides two options for placement of the apostrophe, before the S for the singular and after the S for the plural form. This means you must recheck your sentence to confirm which you mean, the singular or plural form of donkeys. Since donkeys in this sentence is plural, the just one S rule applies. The just one S rule says, when making a word that already ends in S possessive, add only the apostrophe after the S. So, we choose the option that places the apostrophe after the S. One last example. Kaylee placed collars around their necks. Nothing is flagged by the grammar checker or spell checker. However, there is an error. There is the contraction for they are. However, the correct word here should be the pronoun their. So, we've fixed these problems with the help of our grammar checker, but we've had to rely on our own proofreading skills and knowledge of apostrophes as well.